Hey guys, how's it going? Oh my god, my hair's messed up. This is gonna be a really fast vlog today. It's gonna be like what? 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute. Who knows? I'm gonna let you know the Popeyes chicken sandwiches. I'm at the drive-thru. I have not had it yet. I've heard all the hype. Some people told me it was bad. Some people told me it was better than Chick-fil-A. I'm talking fast because I'm trying to get this all done real quick. I got something to eat. So, I'll get to you when I order the food. All right. So, I got the spicy chicken sandwich because I heard that one was better. I got it right here. It looked pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. Look, I'm a big fan of Chick-fil-A, right? So, I'm gonna be honest, it's gonna be pretty hard to beat Chick-fil-A. But, we're gonna take a bite. We're gonna see how it goes. First of all, it's really hot. Oh. You know what? It's spicy. Oh my god. You know what? It's really good. It's not like, oh my god. But, it's a sandwich. If you haven't tried it, go try it. I really recommend you to try it. I'm gonna get this again. I'll get it again. But waiting in that line, it's not worth it. Just go to Chick-fil-A. Oh my god, okay, y'all. I just ate the sandwich. And I'm gonna let y'all know, if I made this mistake, I don't want y'all making it too. Alright? If you were thinking about getting sandwich only and not the meal or not a drink, and you got the spicy chicken sandwich, you gonna need a fucking drink, cause this shit burns my mouth. I don't know if I'm just being a bitch, but this shit burns, y'all. Like, I'm over here panting and shit. I got sauce dripping. Fuck. I'ma let y'all know. Get the drink. This shit was good as fuck. Get the drink. Alright? It's been your boy. I'm out.